Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today we are doing a crock pot recipe that's part of the Crockpot Palooza Collaboration. This recipe I've been wanting to try for the longest time. I've seen it on so many channels and it looks so delicious and I'm like, I'm doing it. I'm going to try it. So first of all, we need one chicken broth. And I don't have any chicken broth. I just have water and chicken bouillon. So we're gonna have to work with that. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you what we're making. We're gonna be making Marry Me chicken crock pot version. And then we have cornstarch that we're gonna put in a little bit at a time and try to get it as mixed up as we can. I will make sure to have this recipe linked in the description box below. The recipe says to get it to where it is clump free. And I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to do that with using this chicken broth, but we're gonna try to get as many white clumps out as we possibly can. I'm just gonna keep on adding until we get it all in. Next, we're gonna pour our cornstarch and chicken broth mixture. We're gonna pour that into our crock pot. I have sprayed this crock pot with some nonstick cooking spray just for easy cleanup. Next, we're gonna add in our heavy cream. We're gonna add in minced garlic. And we're gonna add in all of our seasonings, which is salt, paprika, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and pepper. We're gonna give this a good stir. The recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts. I did not have chicken breast, I just had chicken tenders. So I'm gonna go ahead and use those. We're gonna add in sun-dried tomatoes that have been drained. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of butter that we're gonna divide up into fourths, it says. So I'm gonna spread it out. I'm running late for dinner tonight, so I'm gonna cook mine on high. The recipe says that you can cook it on high for 2.5 to 3 hours or low 6 to 7 hours. So I'm gonna shoot for that 2.5 to 3 hour mark. I'm gonna get the lid on and get this going on high. With our slow cooker Marry Me chicken, I am just gonna make some rice to go along with it. I have this box of Minute Maid rice. While I get this rice and the water all ready to go, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about today's video. I'm just following the chart on the back. Today's video is a collaboration video. Whoops, it helps if I open it, doesn't it? Today's video is a collaboration video. That this collab is Crockpot Palooza, like I mentioned earlier, and it is hosted by 2 of my friends, Jessica from Jessica Myros and Tiffany from Small Town 6. They both have wonderful channels. I will have their channels listed below in the description box, as well as a list of creators who have put together crockpot videos for you as well. So be sure to check both of those out after this video. All right, so I'm going to get my pan and my water on boiling and then get my rice cooking, and hopefully it'll be time to eat. The timer says we got about 25 minutes left and my husband should be home soon. All right, guys, here is my Marry Me chicken. I cannot wait to dive in. My house smells wonderful. This sauce is thickening up as it cools off. I am so excited to dive in. I'm starving. As a reminder, don't forget to check out Jessica and Tiffany's channel that I have listed below, as well as the playlist. And most importantly, Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next video.